Good Night Dump Trucks by Adam Gamble and Mark Jasper. Good morning, big trucks, ready to move earth and clay. Are we ready to share a wonderful day? Good morning, hardy machine operators. Hello, mighty bulldozer moving tons of earth. Hello, excavators digging in the dirt. Harvest that wheat for all to eat, combine harvester. Howdy, farmers. Some trucks are used on farms to carry delicious foods like watermelon. Yum, yum, yum. And what's he got? A banana. Good afternoon, paver. Laying new asphalt on the road. Do you see the asphalt on your road? We also call it tar. Greetings, grapple skidder, lifting giant logs in the forest. Those are trees that became logs. It's nice to see you, cement mixer, pouring the foundation of a new home. Hi there, mechanic. Have you ever seen a tire as big as that? That's a huge tire. Look how small they are. Hello, crane and giant ball. Smashing that old building to pieces. It came in like a wrecking ball. Wow, there's so much going on at the construction site. Here comes a super dump truck. It carries tons of weight. It's a big dump truck. Sometimes big trucks need to ride on a lowboy. That's a truck on a truck. Go, wheel trencher, cutting through the earth so we can lay pipes and wires in the ground. Let's watch the suction excavator pull dirt out from the bottom of a deep hole. What does suction sound like? Good evening, giant machines and trucks digging in a gold mine. That's so pretty. That's a lot of gold. Good evening, all-wheel drive haulers. You love to go off-roading. Good night, snowcats, grooming the ski trails. That's so the skiers can go down. Good night, snowplows, helping to keep winter roads safe while we sleep. Good night, hard-working dump trucks and amazing machines. Thank you for sharing a wonderful day. Good night, Tarak. Meme loves you.